Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade chili. To begin your culinary adventure, gather your core ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of ground meat, often beef, but a mix can add depth. Don't forget your aromatic vegetables, 1 large onion, 2 bell peppers, and several cloves of garlic. Tomatoes, in crushed or diced forms, are vital, along with a generous 3 to 4 tablespoons of quality chili powder and other spices to build that classic chili flavor. The next crucial step is building your flavor base. Start by browning your 2 pounds of ground meat in a large, heavy-bottomed pot or Dutch oven over medium-high heat. Once fully browned, drain any excess fat to ensure your chili isn't overly greasy. Then, add your diced onions, bell peppers, and minced garlic to the pot, sautéing them until they are tender and fragrant, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. This process is key to unlocking rich, complex flavors. Now it's time to bring everything together for that signature chili richness. Add your 28 ounces of crushed tomatoes, 15 ounces of kidney beans, and about 2 cups of beef broth to the pot. Stir in your 3 to 4 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin, and a teaspoon of cayenne pepper for a little kick. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for at least 1 hour or even longer to allow all those wonderful flavors to fully develop. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches and serving. Before serving, taste your chili and adjust the seasonings as necessary, perhaps a little more salt, pepper, or a dash of hot sauce. Some people like to add a splash of apple cider vinegar or a pinch of sugar to balance the flavors. Ladle your delicious homemade chili into bowls and top with your favorite garnishes, such as shredded cheddar cheese, a dollop of sour cream, or fresh cilantro. Enjoy your hearty meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.